Today's adventure is here at Lookout Lake. It's an overcast day, but still, any adventure is a good adventure. I'm going to show you a waterfall, which is rare to see in actually a reservoir. At least it's the first one I've actually seen. This is my second year, but this year it's actually bigger than last year. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my phone around and show you where I'm at. This crater was half the size last year, so water's definitely cut through. Last year it was only on the right side of the waterfall, not on the left. Pretty awesome. And I think it's kind of rare to see a waterfall actually in a reservoir itself, and the lake is down. And there is about a 5-footer on up, further on up around the corner. I'll go ahead and give you a look around with the reservoir itself. So if you decide to come check this one out, make sure you wear boots. This is red clay and it is muddy as ever. Fortunately, my boots I wore yesterday as I was crossing streams and filled them with water, so I'm in tennis shoes today. Till our next adventure, have a good one.